So what's up everybody, I'm Ryan, I live in Cambodia. I make videos so you can see what it's like to live in the Kingdom of Wonder, as per usual. And today I want to show you a really cool space. It's called The Factory, and it is an old I want to say garment factory that's been converted into this really cool, modern, creative space where people can come and work, kind of a work sharing space. There's also an attached condo. Right here they're doing some promotional stuff. It's Halloween coming up and they have a Halloween party here, so I think they're shooting some stuff for the gram or something for that. This really is a one-of-a-kind space in Cambodia. There's nothing else like this. It's inspirational in a way, very creative place. There's a ton of graffiti around, a really beautiful space to hang out, and it's free to just come here and just hang out. So let's have a look around, see what they got, and yeah, this is it. This is the future of Cambodia in their creative scene.
Y'all don't know people like this. Y'all don't know people like this. Y'all don't know people like this. Y'all don't know people like this.
So this is the main building here. And right now it's pretty empty in this space, but this is kind of an event space. On the weekends they have a farmer's market that they set up here. I guess it's like a farmer's market. It's a lot of vendors, local vendors, a lot of food and stuff, and they just set up booths around here and you can kind of walk through it and get food and buy various products. And right here, this is the sales office for Urban Village. So they're working on phase 2 now. 1 is already filled up.
828 units also, only 9 months.
That's phase 1, baby. That is Urban Village, phase 1. If you turn around and look right behind you, that is phase 2. They're building phase 2 right now, and they're also selling units in phase 2 right now.
And Urban Week phase 2, we sold like 1,600 units already.
Wow.
Still left around like 300 units left.
Wow.
Here, all we can say like the old city, old Phnom Penh city, because for the north already fully developed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and now come up to the south, and as you can see, our project is in the middle between the old city and the new city.
Can I see the unit then?
Come.
Okay.
Small, but we designed become useful unit.
Good for one person.
Yeah.
So how much does this?
This one it start from 80,000.
80,000.
Yeah.
Two bedroom.
Yeah, long 2 bedroom. Total of 70 square meters.
Oh. So how much is this one?
This one we start from 160.
160,000.
Yeah, 160,000.
If I'm a foreigner and I want to buy,
Yes.
I'm allowed to buy as long as it's not on the ground floor?
Yes, only not a ground floor. Yeah. But you have to make sure, because some projects they are leasehold only. For us, we are freehold. Hard title. It means this property is under your name.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can do whatever you want with it?
Yes. Later, people will pass away. His son and daughter
inherit it.
Yeah, belong forever.
Yeah.
Some project 50 years, 99.
Yeah.
After that, they take back.
Yeah.
We are freehold.
Does it come furnished?
We have a package for you. Either you want to fully finish.
Yeah. Wow.
This one is for steam machine. This one is Sara.
Big tub. Fancy toilet. So how much does this one start at?
Start from 190,000.
190,000,
Yes.
including steam and sun.
Yeah, including steam and sun.
So just around the corner from the condos, you will find this space we call the Factory. This is the creative hub space that is attached to the whole facility. So it's living, it's working, it's playing all in the same giant block. Here's their logo. Look at this. Big F stands for factory. Yeah, that's right. Let's see, what does it say on their website? It says Phnom Penh's mixed-use IT and creative hub, cultivating the next generation of entrepreneurs, makers, and creative professionals. I mean, just like spaces like this, you want to sit, have a coffee, do some work. This place is relatively new. It's growing and expanding every day. It was started in about 2017, I think, when they started construction, and I think they opened up in 2018. You go to cafes here, you go to shops here, you can go to the skateboard park. There's basketball court. If you have a basketball, you can come here and just play. Beautiful spot, like just surrounded by graffiti. So every time I've been here, there seems to be some new stuff, but there's all kinds of cool things to do. Like, I mean, I would say bring your kids here, teach them how to ride a bicycle. How do you do that in Phnom Penh? Well, here they provide free bicycles. They have 50 bicycles that you can use on campus. There's no traffic, so it's safe. But they also have trampoline park. They have all kinds of art programs. They have an art gallery. This is one of my favorite artists that you see around the city, Theo Valliere, French guy. He does this really cool artwork based on Cambodian mythology.
You ain't doing raps like me. Motherfucker, go work that 9 to 5. Sorry that I had to go piss. Stressed out, so I tell her it's gonna be alright. I ain't live right, I ain't live life. For all they know, I'ma flip twice, I'ma roll dice. Get the fuck out of my business. Said I'll drop out, then I really did this. I could not give them what they want though. Class cannot pass, I ain't riding no. Bitch, I'm head honcho. Run my own show, no big ass space or handouts, I don't want those. Little bitch on my face or get sprayed, you gon' need to get a poncho. They say you too selfish, I ain't tryna get vocal like Bono. Throwing all this dirt on my name, next time go throw it in the compost. Lately getting real difficult to rest, mainly cause now the pressure on my chest. Overthinking only making me a mess.
Haunted house rules. Haunted house?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come in. Come on.
Is this scary?
Yeah.
You guys gonna rob me? Oh.
Come on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa. What does that say? What's that? Didn't see that. I have to crawl through this? Oh no. Okay, here we go. Whoa, that's a lot of blood. Whoa, creepy. Oh, it's scary.
Yeah.
Hot too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for scaring me. Dance factory. And they're into fitness here as well. There's a big gym. And this is actually the workshop where like they're building a lot of things to use in the facility. The heck's up here? Maybe this is for children. Only one way to find out. Cool. Like a little tree fort. Dare I go down this slide? Don't think Cambodia is great for slides. I think I have to go into some sort of ball. Wow, that was a hell of a good time. There's some great restaurants on site as well. I've There's a couple places that do Mexican food. I think this is kind of a Taiwanese, Japanese, probably Taiwanese owned. Hong Kong tea. So I'm gonna grab a coffee at Fulcrum. This is the cafe here. They make great cups of coffee. And sit and just relax and cool down a little bit. These are like shared co-working spaces. There's a ton of them around here. It's interesting because there's a lot of condo buildings in the city that don't have any Khmer people living in them. They're all filled with foreigners. But Urban Village actually sells a lot of their units to local Khmer people. The future of Phnom Penh is living, working, creating in this space here. So on their website it says the goal of Factory is to support the country's young entrepreneurs in developing their next great business idea while helping innovators to push the boundaries of art and design. It is my humble opinion that everything comes from creativity, because you want to do something new and exciting, you need to be creative. So I think that's what this place is kind of all about, helping young people develop their creative sense and helping them, you know, make Cambodia a better place. And that's really cool. So, I don't know, check it out. Oh, look at this little guy. Hello. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Well, that is it for me. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm Ryan, Itchy Feet on the Cheap, signing off at the factory. Take care, comb your hair. I'm out.
Prefer when I'm by myself. I don't wanna hang around y'all. Pray for good health. One day I'm really gon' ball. Fuck around and buy the whole mall. Breaking that cake. Flexing 700 in the bank. Not a superhero, I don't save. Look at my face. Look